Alright, so this is my garage. Got car parts from cars I don't own anymore. Actually, some of these are from my Mazda. I got tools that are missing, but I know they're in the garage somewhere. Just stuff is just everywhere. Transmission fluid is impossible to clean up, and this freaking car won't stop leaking out its output shaft. This is to avoid getting wet in transmission fluid. Tires, junk, a junk lawnmower that I'm probably just gonna give away to somebody who needs it more than me. And I don't like the way this garage looks. This might not seem so bad, like on camera. In reality, it's so messy. My car, which is really small, barely fits in here now. Put up some of the 2x4. I'm just gonna time lapse this. First thing is tools. Would really like to have not lost any tools. It's empty because it's spilled everywhere. That's really cool. Nitrous outlet sign. We could hang it. There's actually nails up here. Maybe clips. Something fancy? I don't have something fancy though. Not level either, dude. Why am I so bad at that? That's so fucked up. Got a motherfucking turbocharged garage, dude. And also, I don't know if you noticed, it is also not level. Nope. Why would it be?
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Go. Gotcha, bitch. We ain't going nowhere. Looks a lot better, don't it? Yeah, there's still a couple things I gotta pick up. The walls look like crap because I'm not going to fix them. That's something that the landlord's gonna have to make a choice on. They're literally paper thin. I want to paint them, but they're actually better off getting replaced because they're like slats. They're like paper thin slats. And I did not screw into the bamboo on this thing. This thing's from like the early 90s, late 80s. I don't actually know when it's from, to be completely honest, but it's fragile. So these screws are literally just to hold it up in case the wind wants to take it. That's why they're there. It is not damaging the bamboo. I made sure. Trust me, I care about this a lot. So she's fine. I did not damage it. But the garage is, I can move around in it. So that's awesome. Thank you for watching. It's been an experience. I got more to do today. Actually pulling the drive shaft out today and recording it. I recorded a couple other things. Just a couple hints if you look closely. Those are going to be uploaded next. I'm going to try and get this stuff out as soon as possible. Okay? I'm trying. I'm just not as motivated as I used to be, but I'm trying. I'm going to make some more funny shorts as well. I don't know how I'm going to do it with the car. On a motorcycle is much easier, but yeah. We're going to get this going. I'm going to get this show back on the road. So thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.